Welcome to Dart Sites for Dummies, a new feature for beginners to the hobby that will provide primary information on many of the phrases, anachronisms and structures mentioned on this channel. Today's primer: British civilian government in a Cold War nuclear exchange. In the event of a nuclear war, British government was broadly divided into 5 levels: national, regional, county, local and parish. At the national level, the central government war headquarters, shortened to CGWHQ, was located in Corsham, Wiltshire, in a former Bathstone quarry known as Spring Quarry, under the present-day MOD Corsham. This is where upward of 4,000 essential workers, 210 civil servants and key members of the government would ride out the first 3 months of a nuclear war and attempt to rebuild the country afterwards. At the regional level, Britain was divided into 11 home defence regions, in numbered order: Scotland, North East, East Midlands, East, London, South East, South West, Wales, West Midlands, North West and Northern Ireland. For the purpose of this explanation we will use South West, Region 7. Though the terminology and structure of these regions change over time, by the end of the Cold War, most of the regions had a regional government headquarters and a sub-regional headquarters. In Region 7, the site of the regional government HQ was Ullenwood, near Gloucester, from the 1950s until 1985, and then it was replaced by a purpose-built bunker in Chilmark, Wiltshire. The sub-regional HQ was located at Hope Cove on the South Devon coast. The commissioners that led these bunkers would have the power of life and death over their region until national government was restored. Next down was the county level, with main and standby control centres being set up. Some were custom-built bunkers, others basements as office buildings hastily adapted. Local councils from county down were responsible for casualty care, burying the dead, firefighting, law and order, rebuilding work, and finally providing food and shelter. In Region 7 this included the counties of Avon, Cornwall, Devon, Dorset, Gloucestershire and Wiltshire. Next up was the local level, divided between borough, district and city councils. Numbers and dispositions of these sites varied from county to county because of how each individual county was governed. Again, some were purpose-built facilities, some were ad hoc facilities located in the basements of government buildings. Usually, they were referred to by the title of emergency centres. The commitments of individual borough, district or city councils could vary greatly. Some were fully committed to nuclear war planning, going beyond what was necessary. Others did the bare minimum to comply. Finally, we have the parish level. Parish level councils were required to make emergency plans, but very few had anything substantial in place. Village halls or pub cellars were often pressed into use as the parish emergency centre, whose total equipment was often the local missile attack warning system receiver. Well, that's the end of this episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.